Halo semuanya, apa kabar hari ini? Semoga dalam keadaan sehat dan selalu dalam lindungan Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Selamat datang kembali di channel saya, Widiana. Sudah lama sekali rasanya saya tidak mengupload video karena beberapa kesibukan yang tidak bisa ditinggalkan. Dan pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan melakukan sebuah review pada sebuah lampu LED, di mana ini untuk stop lamp mobil, untuk mobil universal atau bisa dipakai untuk mobil apa saja, yang penting soketnya sesuai. Seperti apa barangnya? Ya, simak sampai selesai. Baiklah, sebelum kita bahas tentang apa saja isi dari paket penjualannya, kita bahas dulu pembungkus atau packagingnya. Di sini lampu ini terbungkus dari karton dengan warna dasar hitam dengan tulisan LED auto light dan gambar lampu mobil di bagian depan. Desainnya cukup elegan sehingga terlihat lampu premium. Sedangkan di bagian atas terdapat nomor seri dari lampu ini, yaitu 1157, dan warna dari lampu ini yaitu warna merah. Sedangkan untuk bagian sisi kanan, kiri, dan bawah terdapat tulisan LED auto light, dan pada bagian belakang terlihat clear, hanya ada tulisan made in China. Jadi lampu ini dibuat dari China. Selanjutnya mari kita buka apa saja isi dari paket ini. Di dalamnya terdapat sebuah busa untuk meredam guncangan sehingga lampu ini aman dari benturan. Sedangkan untuk lampunya sendiri dilapisi oleh kaca dan terdapat 114 titik lampu LED sehingga diklaim akan memberikan cahaya yang terang pada malam hari.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range.
Dari paket pembelian ini kita mendapatkan sepasang lampu dengan harga di kisaran 80 ribuan. Bagaimana nanti cahayanya atau hasil dari pencahayaan lampu ini, kita langsung saja pasang di mobil.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Bagaimana menurut Anda tentang lampu ini? Apakah worth it dibeli dengan harga segitu? Silahkan berikan tanggapan Anda di kolom komentar di bawah ini. Silahkan klik like bila kalian menyukai video ini. Jangan lupa subscribe bagi yang belum. Dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye-bye.